Yo guys, okay. We're leaving. We're leaving here guys. We're leaving Siski Kromlov guys. So sad. Kahit isang gabi lang napamahal na rin sa amin to. Okay guys, yeah. Just last show you last last show you last glimpse of Kromlov guys. And guys, okay, we're waiting for taxi actually guys. Kasi hindi namin alam paano yung bus. Paano yung bayaran. Yan guys, oh. Tingnan nyo na guys, bago pa natin iwanan ang Kromlov. Another lakad guys. And so, we're heading to Salzburg, Austria. Pag nandito ka talaga sa iyo, lakad ka talaga sa struggle pa kasi siyempre marami tayong mga dala kaya struggle is real pero happy pag nila sa kaligtaan na iigas. Hindi ko kayo mamaya guys, buting na kami train station kasi doon pangat ito pangat. Guys, isa sa mga activities dito guys, yung water rafting nila. And ganda, water rafting. Magandang view tayo nakita kahit pagod na. Grabe na pagdaanan namin guys. Ito yung pilalakarin namin. Naglakad kami from doon paakyat 30 minutes. Grabe. Grabe guys. Grabe guys. Grabe guys. Okay guys. Ang alis ng train namin is alis ng train namin is 12:59, so 12:36. Grabe, sira pa yung maleta, nawala ng gulong. Grabe. Okay guys, update you later guys. Basta traveling to Salzburg, Austria. See you there, bye.